For a relaxing yet lively holiday, Dynastic Hotel offers a great mix of comfort, entertainment and wellness in the heart of Benidorm. Located just minutes from Levante Beach, this modern hotel is perfect for families and couples alike. Rooms are spacious and well-equipped, many featuring private balconies with stunning views of the city or pool. The outdoor pool area is ideal for sunbathing, with plenty of lounges and a separate kids' pool. Inside, the spa and wellness centre is a standout, featuring a heated pool, sauna, steam room and a range of treatments. The buffet restaurant serves a mix of Mediterranean and international dishes, with show cooking and themed nights for variety. With live evening entertainment, daily activities, and a central location close to nightlife, shops and beaches, Dynastic Hotel is a great choice for a vibrant yet relaxing stay.